Hey, welcome back to another Netcast. I'm Rich Lopez, Quantrix Authority. Sincerely appreciate you joining me today for episode number 90, Quantrix 6.0. Move category tiles and go-to shortcuts. You don't have to use the keyboard anymore to move those category tiles or to go to that model browser. Simply use your keyboard. It's absolutely some fantastic improvements they've made to Quantrix 6.0. Today, as you know, Quantrix 6.0 released. I've been a beta tester for it. I received an email of appreciation from James Kipling at Quantrix today for the beta testing I did and the feedback I provided them. That was truly an honor to be able to do that. But while he did that, James shared with me some, I guess, lesser known shortcuts that they put into 6.0, and I wanted to share them with you in today's episode because they are absolutely awesome. So what I can do is I have a matrix here, and you can see it's got 5 or 6 categories. And if I want to toggle to those categories, what I do is I hit Control comma or Control period, and it toggles between my matrix and the cells in the matrix and the items in the matrix and my category tiles, all by hitting Control comma, Control period. Okay. Now, if I want to select a different category tile, say I don't want to select quarter, I can go ahead and just use my arrow key, and it toggles through the other category tiles. Okay. Now, if I want to go ahead and I want to move some of these category tiles, I could go the old way, but that's not the point of this podcast of showing you how to drag and drop those things. I actually just simply go Control and I use my arrow keys. And as I do that, I can move items I can move the categories in their position, carry up or down using the arrow keys and the Control key. I can even throw them up into the filter tray like so, and then move them back over the columns. So that is really awesome to be able to do that now without even having to go to the mouse. I mean, I am overjoyed at how awesome those shortcut keys are. Also, another great thing that James showed me or shared with me is if I hit F5, I have this open view dialog. It's really kind of like a GoTo dialog, and I can say, well, I want to go to 5-year forecast, and it takes me to the model browser by hitting F5, and then I'm able to filter on whatever view I want to see. And if I say I don't want to change my view, I go ahead and I hit Escape, and I'm back to where I was. Okay, so F5, awesome, go-to. So these are just great improvements, great shortcuts. I'm overjoyed because I don't like to use the mouse. I like to use the keyboard as much as possible. And again, in 6.0, Quantrix is really making it a lot easier for us to navigate in Quantrix with shortcut keys. So kudos to the team, to the Quantrix masters really back there in Portland, Maine with this awesome product. And I mean, you guys just rocked my world today with these shortcuts that Kipper shared with me. So I sincerely appreciate that. So I hope that you will go out and download 6.0. Enjoy the functionality. Share with me in the comments, what you like or even what you don't like in Quantrix 6.0. And I'd love to hear from you. Please join me again for another episode of Quantrix Authority with Rich Lopez. Please follow me here, of course, on YouTube. Follow me on Twitter because I want to make you a Quantrix master.